Hello, kids! How are you today? Today we will learn a new letter from the alphabet. Let's say it together. D. Duh. Step 1. The sound of D. This is the letter D. It makes the sound D. Put your tongue behind your teeth and say D. D. It sounds like little drum beats. Drum. Say it with me. D says duh, duh, duh. Step 2. Words beginning with D. Let's learn some words that start with the letter D. Dog, duh, og, dog. Duck, duh, uck, duck. Door, duh, or, door. Drum, duh, drum. Repeat after me slowly. Duh, og, dog. Duh, uck, duck. Duh, or, door. Duh, drum. Step 3. Fun activity. Listen carefully. Which one starts with duh? Cat or dog?
Yes, dog.
Duck or fish?
Yes, duck. D says duh, D says duh, like a drum that goes duh, duh, duh. Drum. Dog says duh, duck says duh. Door and drum all start with D. Let's clap, clap, clap. Sing with me, hooray! Letter D says duh, duh, duh. We learned it all today.
Great job, my smart kids! Today, we learned the letter D, its sound D, and some words that start with D. Don't forget to practice at home and look around for things that start with D.